Hello children, here your maths teacher Mrs. Sangmitra to teach you maths. And in my previous lesson in exercise 2.3 you all have understood all the rules of addition that I have taught you. Along with that rules of addition, one thing you also remember that in the addition, the number or values that we add are called addends. This you underline, and the answer is called sum. Here these two numbers we are adding, so these numbers are called addends, and the answer is called sum. Okay children, if you are adding 3 plus 4, it is 7. Here 3 and 4 are called addends and 7 is called sum. Okay. So now move to the exercise 2.4. 2.4 exercise is about your word problems. Word problems, most important is to understand the meaning of the sentence. Then it will be easy for you to find the answer. Okay. So now see, the first question you read, a survey report gave the number of males and females in a town as 47,899 and 35,697 respectively. So respectively means here first male is given, second female. So first number is male number and second number is for female number. What is the total population of the town? Total population means the total male and female together is called the population. Okay, then how to find? See this, you have to solve this in your copy. Okay, so exercise 2.4. In this exercise, question number 1 to 4 are there in syllabus. Okay, so statement you have to write like this: number of males is equal to, write the number, how many males are there, all to be written in separate boxes. See, then number of females is equal to, all the numbers are written in separate boxes, and that to remember you have to write in ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000 place in proper way, and below that place will only put the numbers. Then you add. By adding you have got answer 83,596. This is the answer of first question. Number of males, then number of females, then total population. Now come to the second question. Read with me. Second question is, a desktop computer cost 31,235 rupees. A laptop cost 17,485 rupees more than computer, desktop computer. This is not the cost of laptop. This laptop cost 17,485 rupees more than the desktop computer. Okay, understood? What is the cost of laptop? Then what is the total cost of both the computers? Here two questions are there. Question 1, you have to find what is the cost of laptop. Then in question 2, you have to find what is the total cost of both the computer, laptop and desktop, total together. Is it clear? Now see how to solve. Second question. Desktop computer cost, then put the rupee sign. Okay, remember, don't forget, and write all the numbers in separate boxes in ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000 place. 31,235 rupees. Laptop cost more. Laptop, this is not the cost of laptop, it costs more. How much more? Now 17,485 rupees. So then we'll find what is the cost of laptop. Now desktop plus how much money it is more than computer. So that we have to add. So now we got 48,720 rupees. This is the cost of laptop. Now cost of laptop we got. This is the first question. First question it asked, what is the cost of laptop? Now cost of laptop is 48,720 rupees. Now, you have got the desktop cost is already given in the first statement, and now you got the laptop cost also. Then you have to find the cost of both the computers. So leave one line, then you write desktop computer cost 31,235 rupees. Laptop cost, what is the cost, actual cost? 48,720 rupees. Then total cost of both computer. Then add. And by adding, we got 79,955 rupees. So here are two questions are there. In question number 2, two parts are there. Part 1 and part 2. In part 1, you have to find the cost of laptop. In part 2, you have to find the cost of both the computer. Okay, is it clear? Now move towards the third question. In third question, you see, in a factory, 1,845 garments are made in the first month. Garments means the clothes that is designed to make dress materials. These are called the garments. And 2,915 made in the second month. And 4,245 garments are made in the third month. Find the total number of garments made in the factory. So, in the first month, 1,845 garments. Second month, 2,915 garments. And third month, 4,245 garments. So, what is the total number of garments made in the factory? So, what to do? We have to add all the 3 months. All the 3 months, how many garments are there made in all the 3 months? Okay. Now see the statement. Third question. This is the question number 3. Answer 3. Garments made in first month. Right. Garments made in second month. Then garments made in third month. Total garments made are together how many? Now 9,005. Okay. So remember, you have to align all the number, all the ones places to be written here in one line, tens places in one line, hundreds and thousands. Okay. Otherwise, it will be wrong. Clear? This is the answer. Total garments made. We have added all the 3 garments made in the 3 months. Now move to the fourth question. These 4 questions are there in your syllabus. First 4. Fourth one is, in an election, there are 3 candidates. Candidates means the persons who stand for election to win. They received 41,256, 31,246 and 9,785 votes respectively. These 3, the first candidate, yes, second candidate, and this is for third candidate. They got these numbers of votes. And if 784 votes were found invalid, invalid means cancelled. These votes are not put in proper way, so these are cancelled. 784 votes, people put their votes, but these are invalid. How many votes were polled in all? So what you have to do? How many votes? Total number of votes. Now, total number of votes polled means the first person how many votes got, second person, third person, and the total votes invalid. All these things you have to add. Okay. Now see the answer. How to do? See how I have arranged the numbers. This arranging of numbers is very important for you in word problems or whenever you are doing any calculation, addition and subtraction. First candidate got, write the number of votes. Then second candidate got number of votes. Third candidate got 9,785. So 9 to be written in 1000 place. Don't write in 10,000 place. Otherwise it will be wrong. You have to remember all the place value and put the numbers accordingly. Invalid votes 784. 7 to be written in hundreds place. then total votes are the all these four numbers, and you will get 83,071. This is the answer for. So these four questions are there in your syllabus. Do all these answers neatly how I have done. Remember to write ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, and after each question leave 2 or 3 lines, then solve next question, so it will look neat and neatly write. Remember to put all the numbers in proper way, so that you will avoid very minute mistakes in exam also. Okay, so do practice all these questions once again in your rough copy. Thank you, children.